Hey, Dr. Shaun here, HawaiiEliteChiropractic. So I guess this is part 2 of our ankle rehab exercises. So the previous video I talked about, just balancing on the leg like this. I guess one thing I forgot to mention is don't leave your knee locked out. Keep a little bend in it, like this. Okay. After that, you want to use something that's unstable, whether it be like a soft cushion or if you use like a Dynadisc like this. Come onto here, because now you have an unstable surface. Now most of the time when someone sprains their ankle, they're going to step on someone's foot or something and then they're going to roll it out like this. So by having something unstable here like this, now my ankle has to learn how to control itself stepping on something unstable. So you can see how much movement happens in here and how all the muscles that cross my ankle joint, okay, have to learn how to stabilize myself in an unstable environment like this. And of course you want to do both sides. Now if your ankles are really weak, you should not be doing this for at least 6 months after doing just regular balance exercises like this. This is very technical, so you want to make sure your ankles are strong enough to handle it, because you don't want to step on this and then your ankle just rolls off and then you're out for a few months. You got to make sure your ankles are strong enough to stabilize it. So if you're here and you only can do 5 seconds, then you shouldn't be on this at all. You should be able to balance for like a minute here, easy, moving your foot all over the place like this before you transition to something unstable like this. And you don't have to go out and buy any fancy equipment. Like I said, you can use a pillow like this and then just work on balancing like this. So what happens now is my foot is trying to find stability, so it's going to move all over the place, and my ankle is allowing that to happen as I go through there. All right? So that's our tip for the day here. Dr. Shaun, HawaiiEliteChiropractic. Remember, you're born loose and you die stiff.